Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have materials ready and you start with a tight magic loop because it makes a neat closed body base. Begin with 6 single crochets into the loop. Pull the tail to close the hole. Once done, place a stitch marker on the first stitch so you track rounds. Make sure to increase evenly, 6, 12, then 18 by adding stitches in planned intervals. You'll see the circle grow. Keep tension consistent to avoid gaps and an uneven shape. Continue building the body by increasing in each round until you reach 30 to 36 stitches, which sets the penguin's proportions. Once the body is large enough, switch to belly color and crochet a partial round to create the front panel. This looks cleaner if you fold and sew edges inward. Then work even rounds to lengthen and begin invisible decreases to taper the top. Make 2 small wing pieces with short rows. Lightly finish by decreasing to close the top, stuffing as you go so the shape stays firm. Leave a small opening to adjust stuffing density. Position and sew safety eyes or embroidered eyes, then attach a small beak and the wings using a ladder stitch for a seamless look. Make sure seams are tight so parts don't shift. If you see gaps or loose spots, add a little more stuffing and close the gap with whip stitch. If tension is uneven, rework the row to even out stitches before final sewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.